What's up guys, just dropped all new 2020 Dino merch. Go on deanwilson15.com and get your new merch. So yeah, we're totally freestyling this. We don't even know if they're home. Oh, the car's on. Yeah, the lights are on in the car.
That's what I'm saying.
Are we going for it? Yeah. Okay, we're going for it. What's up guys, it's Dean Wilson. It's that time of the year again. I'm gonna do another bike giveaway. Last year we did it with Luke and it was awesome. Went really good. So yeah, here we are. We are at AEO Motorsports. We're gonna go in, buy a Husqvarna 65. I want to give a thank you to the people that are going to be helping out. First off, Oneal, Alpinestars, and 100% goggles. FMF are going to supply a pipe. Factory Effects are doing the graphics, and Guts are doing the seat. So first thing is, get this 65 and yeah, let's see how it goes. Haven't shaved since I crashed. Struggling a bit here. Alright, here we go. We got 157 video submissions. This is gonna be so hard. It's a really good edit. I wish I had 20 bikes to give away. This is gonna be a hard decision. So early. 5 in the morning. Santa Claus is coming a little early. That's probably them right there. I'm pretty much pulling up. Just need to put my mic on.
Oh my god, we like pull up as if they're getting ready to get in the car for school.
We're like winging this so hard. Yes, let's get the mic on. School bus. Oh, the car's on. The lights are on in the car.
That's what I'm saying.
Are we going for it? Yeah. Okay, we're going for it. Jaden! Jaden! What do you think of this bike? What do you think of this bike? Do you like it? This is yours. This is your bike. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Santa came early. Go get your dad. Hey, Jaden's the bike winner. Hey. What do you think? Are you ready to rip this thing? Jaden, so how much sweet talking do we got to do to take you for the day and skip school? Can we do that? What? Can we skip school today? Ask your dad. Yeah? Yeah! Here, sit on it. Hey, there's a movie called Ferris Bueller's Day Off, and this is like pretty much your day. We're gonna go check out Jaden's room. Oh, look at this little motocross palace. What's this all about right here? This chick. No, that you put that up.
No, my dad.
Do you think she's hot? So you don't?
He sits right here and looks at it.
You don't look at it though? It's nasty, huh? You just look at the bike? Of course, Husqvarna.
This is my wife, Stella, and she's deaf. Jaden was born since he was a baby. His favorite was to ride a bicycle. He loves motocross. Ever since he was born, she never asked him or pushed him to ride. He just picked it up on himself, and she was okay with it. When she watches him race, he can tell that she loves. He's honoring. He's always watching YouTube every day. He never stops. Every morning he's always watching. It's always motocross. She asks her son, why is he always watching YouTube? And it's like his homework, and he's studying. That's why he watches it. It's his passion. So. He makes her proud. Every time he crashes, she gets very scared. But he doesn't give up, and that surprises her. She's really proud of him. She's happy.
What should we do? Should we go for some breakfast? Where are you gonna take me for breakfast? Hey, where did you go on the bike, by the way? Because you were gone forever. We were about to send search and rescue. You want more syrup?
Pat's on the table though.
I was like, wait, so we're just gonna all pack in the car without Jaden?
How old are you?
Too old. How old do you think I am? Whoa! Whoa! 32? Come on. You're just joking, right?
27.
Oh, that's pretty good. What kind of music do you like?
Ransom or my bike's too lit?
Why don't we listen?
Shout out 7 Deuce Deuce. Let's hear it. I know you know the lyrics. Go.
I spent so much money on my bike, it's out of sight. Black rims, gold hubs, and the carbon pipes. Got my pipe looking loud, nah, it ain't polite. When I pull up to the track, I got the best bike. Looking hard as fuck, I call that shit a Western Pike. When I Instagram it, yeah, I'm getting hella likes. Spend more money on my bike than you gon' make it till you die. You probably gonna tell your friends your bike is tight as mine. Ain't nobody's bike is tight as mine. Ain't nobody's bike is tight as mine. Ain't nobody's bike as tight as mine. Ain't nobody's bike as tight as mine.
Okay, so at lunch, I spat out by accident that we're going to Deegan's compound, and he heard it. So now we parked at a field, acting like he's gonna ride a corner track all day. And his face right now, he's so pissed off. It's hilarious. But we're only a mile from Deegan's, so we're gonna go there right now. And that field right there, that's where we built our corner track. So you're gonna be shredding corners by the end of the day.
Wait, what?
What?
This is the Hayden?
What do you mean?
Wait, this is Hayden's house.
Who's Hayden?
Deegan.
You think this is Hayden Deegan's house?
It is.
Why you got such a smile on your face?
Wait, what? It is.
What do you mean?
It's Hayden's.
How do you know?
It's Deegan's house.
I don't
Wait,
know.
what?
They're opened. The
Wait, I'm
gates
shocked.
of motocross heaven have opened. We're here. We made it.
Wait.
We made it. We're gonna ride Deegan's today.
No way. What?
Are you stoked or what?
Yes, I'm super stoked.
And I'm gonna ride with you too. So we're gonna have an awesome day.
Wow.
Just a little kid and I know what's up. Don't come to the track if you ain't got a setup. I don't mess around, I'm about the checks in the envelope. Every time I show up to the track, yeah, I'm pro. You gon' wonder why, you gon' wonder why though. I'ma sound so damn fly, I get paid by fly. Making money cause I fly, and my bike's so fly. Why you think I keep it dead?
You have fun? Yeah?
So,
No?
What's up? You ripping it up out there on the 60? Yeah?
are you kidding me? Is it black right here?
Yep. The big black line.
No.
How's it going?
How stoked was he when he got here? Was he really?
Yeah.
Stoked when he got here?
What's up, mate? Alright, we gonna go show him some riding or what? When it came down to picking what I wanted, I noticed that I really liked someone that raced, and that's what I've always done, just someone that's passionate about racing. So the whole family's just very passionate about racing. The dad works really hard for his family, and Jaden, he loves to ride, he loves to race.
go again.
Huh? No, I think you should call it. I think you're good.
I'll go on the track.
You want to go on the track?
Yeah.
Wait, hang on.
Go on that track.
I think we're calling it. Gave you this bike. There's only a few things that you need to promise me. You're gonna try hard every time, right? Always try your best. Always get up from your falls, and maybe up those math grades. What do you think? You really want to ride still, don't you?
Just do one lap. Yep, I'm gonna take good care of this bike. I thank Dean Wilson, my dad, my mom, my brother, and thank you, Dean, for supporting me.